Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, in my previous video, I have already explained some exercises of chapter number 8 that is given in Tune into Grammar book. And today's video, I'm going to explain the next remaining exercises of chapter number 8. So for that, you all take out your Tune into Grammar book and open chapter number 8. And in chapter number 8, we have learned about action word. Okay, we have already learned that what is action words, and we have solved the exercises A, that is fill in the blanks with action words from the box. Okay student, so in this exercise we have fill in the blanks with the action word that is given in the box. Okay, so in number 1 there is a Mike dash in the park every morning, so here we have to write runs. In second, Nina dash the vegetables for lunch, so here we have to write chops, chops, chops. In number 3, birds dash in the sky, so here we have to write fly, fly, fly. In number 4, there is a fish dash near the waterfall, so here we have to write the word that is swim, swim, swim. Okay, in number 5, the cake dash delicious. So here we have to write the action word that is taste. Tastes, taste. Okay. So now 6 is a Anu dash a car. Here we have to write drives. Okay. Drives, drives. Now number 7, I dash to school every day. So here we have to write on the given blanks walk. WALK, walk. Okay. Now moving to the next, that is number 8. In number 8, the girls dash tired, so here we have to write the action word look, LOOK, look. Next, number 9, a giraffe dash leaves from the tree, so here we have to write eats, EATS, eats. Okay, in number 10, the rabbit dash through the field, so here we have to write the action word that is hops, HOPS, hops. Okay, now there is a next topic that is given. Read these sentences. So the boy sings well, the boys sing well. The monkey eats bananas. The monkeys eat banana. The shop opens early. The shops open early. So when we read these given sentences, so did you notice that we use sings with boy and sing with boys? Why we using this? So dear student, what happened in the other two sentences? So here's a very important information for you that we're going to learn, that is given in notes. When we talk about one person, animal or things, we add s or es to the action word. What will we do? When we talk about one person, animal or things, we add s or es to the action word. And there is a next information is, when we talk about two or more people, animals or things, we do not add s or es to the action words. Okay, and the third important information, it is with I, you, we and they, we don't add it s or es. Okay student, it is very important for you that you should learn about that how could we use s or es with action word. We use s or es with action word when we talk about one person, animals or things. Okay, and when we talk about two or more people, animal or things, so we don't add s or es to the action word. And it is very important that with I, you, we and they, we don't add s or es. Okay, because it is a form of plural, it presents plural word. Okay, so according to this, we're going to solve the given exercise. So what will we do in this given exercise? So first of all, we have to read the given heading, that is choose the correct option. Okay, so if you learn this given information, so according to the knowledge of this basic information, you have to solve this given exercise. So first is Kabir dash work or works in a factory. Kabir dash work or works in a factory. So this student, tell me which option we should use with this given word. So we have to use works. Okay, because we have learned that when we talking about one person, place or animals, so that time we use s or es with the action word. So here Kabir is the singular person, so we have to add as with the given action word. So action word is work, so we have to add as with work, so it will be works. Okay, so Kabir works in a factory. In second, you dash speak or speaks good English. So student, we have learned that with I, you, we and they, we don't add as or es, okay, to the action word. So here what will we write? We have to write in given blank, that is speak. Okay, in third, boys dash make or makes. So here is the plural, so we have to use make, because we have only used as or es with a singular. Okay, so here we have to write speak. In number second, speak. In number third, we have to write make. Okay, now fourth, I dash hate or hates milk chocolate. So here we have to choose the given word hate. Okay, in number five, the snail crawl or crawls on the leaves. So here we have to add as. Okay, the snail crawls on the leaf. In number six, the sun dash rise or rises in the east. So here we have to write rise. Okay, rises. Now the next, number seven, paper boats float or floats on water. So here paper boats, it is plural, so we have to use float. Okay, now next, we dash wash or washes our hand before eating. Here we have to write wash. Okay student, so like this we have to complete this exercise. Choose the correct option. Now moving to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. It is exercise A, that is given on page number 48. So what will we do? Fill in the blanks. Use the right form of the action word. Right form of the action word in the brackets. One has been done for you. Okay student, in this exercise we have to fill in the blanks. Use the right form of the action word in the brackets. One has been done for you, as you can see at your screen. Bats dash sleep during the day. Okay, and second, the man dash the bike. So here we have to write the man rides the bike. Okay, here we have to add s. Okay, in number third, the gardener waters the plant. Okay, the gardener waters the plant. In number four, I talk softly. Here we have to write talk. Number five, girls laugh at this joke. Okay student. In number six, Joe and Jane learn to play the guitar. Here we have to write learn. Now next, number seven, Sonali dash some tea. So here we have to write Sonali want some tea. In number eight, the gold ring dash 100 rupees. So here we have to write cost. Okay. Now the next, after completing exercise A, moving to the next exercise, that is given on page number 49. So what will we do in this exercise? So fill in the blanks using action words from the box. So student, here we have to choose the word which is given in the box, and after that we have to write down on the given blanks. So first is Mr. Bose dash us English. So here we have to choose the given word teaches. Okay, so here we have to write on the given blanks teaches. Second, they dash into laughter. They burst into laughter. Okay. Third is the hawker dash carpet. So here we have to write sells. Okay. Number four, the books dash to her. So on the given blanks we have to write belong. Now the number five, the shops dash at 9 p.m. So here we have to write close. Number six, the boy dash on the bridge. So here we have to write stands. The boy stands on the bridge. Now number seven, Rohan dash a letter to his grandmother. So we have write on given blanks, Rohan writes a letter to his grandmother. Now the next, in number 8, my brother dash his shoelaces on his own. So here we have to write ties. Okay, my brother ties his shoelaces on his own. Now the next, after completing exercise B, now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise C. In this exercise, correct the action word in this sentences. One has been done for you. So according to the given exercise, we have to correct the action word in these sentences. So in number 1, as you can see, I need some water. So here we have to use I need some water. Okay. I need some water. We have to write correct form of action word. Okay. In number second, there is a mother go to the office. Mother go to the office. So student, we have to use es with go. It will be mother goes to the office. In number third, ship sail across the sea. So here it will be ship sails across the sea. Number 4, the guard watches the house. So here we have to write the guard watches the house. Number 5, they enjoys the party. So here we have to write they enjoy the party. In number 6, the players win the match. So here we have to write the players win the match. In number 7, my grandmother tell me stories. Here we have to write my grandmother tells me stories. In number 8, I does my homework every day. So here we have write I do my homework every day. In number 9, the teacher is called the student. So we have to write the teacher scolds the student. In number 10, we buy fruits from the market. So we have to write we buy fruits from the market. So like this we have to complete this given exercises. And dear student, you have to write this given exercise C in your notebook. So for that, you all take out your notebook and mention date of today. So student, first of all you have to write the given exercise A and after that B. If you completed the exercise A and B, so after that you have to complete this given exercise C in your notebook. So how could you write this given exercises in your notebook? Let's have a quick overview. Okay. So dear student, like this you have to note down date, CW and date, SW and date of today, and after that start the writing of exercises. After completing exercise A and B, you have to write the next exercise, that is exercise C. In exercise C, there is a correct the action word in this sentences. So first of all you have to write I need some water, and after that you have to correct this action word. So you have to write I need some water. Okay. In second, my mother go to the office. So you have to write again mother goes to the office. Third, the ship sail across the sea. So ship sails across the sea. Okay. Fourth, the guard watch the house. So you have to write the guard watches the house. Next, number 5, they enjoys the party. So you have to write again they enjoy the party. In number 6, the players wins the match. So you have to write the players win the match. In number 7, my grandmother tell me stories. So here we have to write the grandmother tells me stories. In number 8, I does my homework every day. So we have write I do my homework every day. In number 9, the teacher scold the student. So you have to write the teacher scolds the student. Okay. In number 10, we buys fruits from the market. So student, we have to rewrite this given sentence like this. We buy fruits from the market. Okay. So like this you have to write down these given exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student. I hope is that clear to you that how could you write these given exercises one by one in your notebook. First of all, you have to write the first exercise of this chapter, that is underline the action word in this sentences. After completing this exercise, you have to write the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks with action words from the box. Okay. And after that, next exercise, choose the correct option. And after this, next is exercise A, B and C, that is given in your book. So dear student, you all completed your homework at your home and your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay student. I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercises. And dear student, you also learn the given action word. You must be learn this given action word that is given on page number 46. Okay student. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video, and also completed your homework with the help of my video. Okay student. Thank you.